In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on the eBay app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to jump into eBay and you'll be able to see the current text size. Alright, as you can see, it is set to this. So in order to make this larger and easier to read, what we need to do is head back and click into our settings. Once we're inside settings, we need to scroll down and tap onto display. Inside display, scroll down again, and then it's going to say font size and style. We need to click into that. And at the bottom of this page, there's going to be a slider here under font size. So if we move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And if we move this slider to left, it's going to decrease it. So keep it near the right hand side, have a play around of it, of what size you want to keep. You want to get your font size. So now from here, I'm going to go back to the eBay app, and then we can see how the font size has increased accordingly.